Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will see the updates from the Capgemini, Deloitte and Infosys, which is regarding the recruitment process through the off-campus drive. The first one is the Capgemini. Capgemini is sending the mails to the candidates who are applied, which is regarding to the final assessment test with the system check information along with the login credentials. So Capgemini is conducting the end-to-end hiring activities such as the assessments and interviews virtually for engineering and MCA batch 2022 recruitment drive in the process of selecting a candidate. So to attend to this, you have to follow some steps like installing the softwares. Like if you want to write your final assessment in the laptop or desktop, then you have to install SAP tool. And if you want to attend your assessment in mobile or tablet, then you have to install CoCubes assessment app. So if you have any queries while installing this software and the app, you can use these relevant documents and videos which is in your mail. You can see on the screen also. By using this guidebook and videos, you can install your software. So after completing this installation of the SAP tool and the CoCubes assessment app, you have to complete your system check using that softwares, using your login credentials and the passkey and your superset ID. So complete your and mandatory thing is you have to use the same device for both system check and the final assessment to allow for the pre-configuration and installation and the testing for the necessary software. This is the update from the Capgemini, and the second one is from the Infosys off-campus drive for the roles of SP and the DSC roles. So the main update is the registration has been extended till 30 December 2021. The candidates who are interested but didn't apply before for this Infosys off-campus day for the SP and the DSP roles, those candidates use this opportunity and apply for this Infosys off-campus day for the SP and the DSC roles. So that date is registration extended up to 30 December, and don't forget to share this your information to your friends and WhatsApp groups. So please share the candidates who didn't apply, so please apply before closing date. Okay guys, and the next one is the Deloitte. Deloitte is sending the mails to the candidates which is regarding the national level test to select our online assessment date and time slot. So you have to select your assessment date and time through this mail. So in this process of recruitment process, Deloitte is completing this national level assessment by choosing available slot as per our candidate preference. So to select your online assessment slot, before you want to know some mandatory things like if you do not select a slot, then you will not be invited for the assessment. So please select your slot for the above list at the earliest. So make the most of this opportunity. So remember this point guys. So after clicking on this select your online assessment slot, so you will redirect to the page of assessment slots. So in there you have to check the checkbox and click the next button. So after clicking on that, you have to select your time slot like your date, time and the day. So these all things you have to select and click the save button. After that, the further information is received through your mail.